Sophie Soaps here with Angelus brand, and today I'm going to show you guys how to clean your shoes using the Angelus Foam Tex cleaning kit. So before you throw your shoes in the back of the closet or you throw them away, just hear me out here because we can make your shoes look brand new again. So the first thing that we're going to need is of course our shoe, and we've already done a pretty good job at making these dirty. So the next thing that we're going to need is our Angelus Foam Tex cleaning kit. Once you've opened up your cleaning kit, you're going to see the Angelus Foam Tex Gentle Foaming Cleaner, which is the best formula to clean your shoes. It's super gentle, but it definitely gets the job done. You're also going to see a premium hog hair sneaker cleaning brush, which is also very gentle but very effective. And last but not least, you're going to see the premium microfiber towel, which is going to pick up a lot of the excess dirt. Once our shoe is unlaced and ready to go, we're going to go ahead and start applying our Angelus Foam Tex cleaner. So it's up to you how much you want to apply to the designated area, but this product is very effective and you don't really need a lot to get the area clean. So this actually uses a pump handle that creates foam directly onto your shoes. So there's no more bowls, no more water, and it's really simple. All we're gonna do is pump, scrub, and dry, and there's no more wasted product with this. So this is a really cool, easy, and non-messy cleanup. The next thing we're gonna do is use our hog hair brush to gently hit up the shoe. You're gonna notice that when you're scrubbing, it's gonna start looking a lot cleaner already.